Hello guys, today I'm reacting to Baby Godzilla versus Baby King Kong, as there is a baby King Kong on the boat sleeping right there, and Baby Godzilla probably got attacked from the water or something because there's literally water all around him. Let's see. My choice is on Godzilla. I mean, he is strong. So yeah, my choice is on Godzilla. Why did Baby Godzilla destroy that boat? What did that boat do to him? Well, he's gonna get karma. You see that nuke right there? I think that's a nuke, or is that just a normal rocket? I don't really know. That did absolutely nothing. And I can only see Baby Godzilla literally right here. Well, let's see how this gonna go. Wait. Okay, I rewind something. Give me a second. Look at baby King Kong, so cute! Did Godzilla just grab a helicopter and put it in the water with his tail? How? How is your tail this strong to grab something in midair, speeding at the speed of light or sound? I don't know. What was that scream? Oh, they have baby scream. I didn't even know there was gonna be baby scream. Look at them screaming each other's eardrum. Why did King Kong do that? What did Godzilla do? I see you sweating right there, okay? I'm not gonna talk for the last 2 minutes. Never mind, I am gonna talk. So Godzilla just put him in the water, just flip the boat upside down, and look like he's gonna get. And now King Kong look like he's gonna get smacked until next morning. He's taking a lot of air. He's breathing a lot because he was underwater for so long. Of course, with the baby scream, you go ah. What is with the screaming about? There goes a $1,000 boat. I think that hit King Kong because right now he's gonna cry. I'm gonna stop at here for now. Just like I can't see the animation too, but that's gonna come later because I don't have that much time. I have school. Yes, I have school. So yeah, if you guys enjoy my video, please press the like button and the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.